vehicle. I'm trying to figure out where we are.
So we're on Route 10, right? Right now we're on Route 10. Okay, 10.
Yeah.
So we can get to...
No, we're at 78, I think.
78.
We're way down.
No, we did it on Route 10. So we were just moving. I don't think we have gone over the state line, yes.
We did?
Exactly why. Must be it's out of season. Give it another try. I'm out here in the meadow, part of an old stone wall. Stand here because you said so, waiting around to fall. Some things are left unspoken, some things are handed down. The circle stands unbroken, sending it back around. I've seen you rolling clover, dressed for a scarecrow ball. Too bad the dance is over, nothing to show at all. Can't help but feel uncertain, knowing which way to turn. They want to raise the curtain, and you're holding the words to learn. I'm out here in the meadow, part of an old stone wall. Stand here because you said so, waiting around to fall.
That's what he likes to do.
Get the rest of the GMP, but
I'm good with it. First time here, I'm looking forward to it.
All right.
What's your name?
Oh, my name is Curtis.
You're Curtis.
Yeah, I'm the cook.
You're the cook.
How you doing?
My name's Lee. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you both.
My name is Chris.
Hi, Chris.
We're from Douglas, Mass.
No kid.
So you came here in '78?
I came here in 70. I came here in 70, 60, 70. A little bit before 78.
And where'd you come from?
From down in Tampa, St. Pete, in Georgia.
So how'd you come all the way from there to here?
I used to be a fruit picker, picking fruit.
Yeah.
And what I did is follow the season from one state to another one.
Got it.
In 1950.
Yeah.
So I came in Vermont, and a lot of apples were here then. So
Right.
so we picked apples. About 6 of us was together.
Yeah.
We go from Tampa, Florida to Buffalo, New York,
Wow.
and here, and then back to Florida.
Nice.
Settled here.
Yeah. So
Nice. Very nice.
Oh, there's more stuff coming. More stuff.
Okay.
We're gonna.
I will hold you up to it.
Oh no! We made a special trip to see you.
All right. I appreciate it.
Yep. We'll take a picture later for our
All right.
Facebook.
Okay.
Hey, Abba. You know, something like that would be really good.
ABBA and Basket World are the two things I always cite as the thing that really separates men from
Are you?
What is your name?
women. You don't get a lot of men going, hey, let's go to Basket World.
My,
I'm Chris.
my name is Chris.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, my friend Lee and Carl.
Hey, guys.
I'm Carl.
Cool.
And where'd you guys come from today?
Douglas, Mass. We came up on the bikes.
Riding bike?
Yes. Yep. Yep.
I finally got my GoPro on my bike.
Standing under the door. So now, good morning, America. How are you? Say, don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm the train called City of New Orleans. I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done. And nights I'm on the City of New Orleans. You know, I'm a very private person.
Yeah. It's a little video. No. Yes.
Precious time.
There you go.
Forgive me if I start to cry.
Looking at the good things all around me, smiling at the people that don't believe. My happy ways may raise a question. There is no answer except in my dreams. There is no way to capture the sunshine, but it is foolish to feel from the night. Perfection, they say, will not last forever, but I can't help feeling someday it might.
Really? Wow, he's pretty cool. Thank you. Yeah. You're welcome.
Something happened since to go
Here's the rest.
back. Cancel their feeling and look to the sky. No need to worry about consequences.